Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Imad Ali. I study in class 9th and I'm here in BANSAL classes. Today my topic is about understanding the basics of motion. So basically first we should know what is motion. So basically when an object changes its position with respect to its surroundings. I have written some examples here also, I have written rolling ball, walking boy, etc. But let me give you an real life example. Like I'm changing my arm position. Now my arm is in motion because I changed its position with respect to surroundings. Basically, it's the concept of motion. Now I will tell you about two physical quantities basically. First one is scalar quantity. It is the type of physical quantity which is having magnitude but it does not have direction. Let me explain you here with an example so you can get a better concept of it. No, sorry. I will just give you these. I have written some examples here also. Distance. Oh, sorry. Distance or speed. I will give you some brief examples about distance and speed later on. Okay. Moving on to vector quantity, it is basically the physical quantity which is having magnitude as well as direction. Basically, I have given some examples: velocity and displacement. You don't have to worry about these terms. We will just briefly explain them in upcoming topics. See, first, I have told you that we will discuss it now. We will discuss distance and displacement. Basically, distance is how far the body moved. It is the scalar quantity, that means it is having magnitude but it does not have direction. Its SI unit is meter. So let me give you a brief example of this so you can get a better concept as I have drawn here. This is, I will say, a path having, okay, sorry. This is then 5 meters, 2 meters, 6 meters, 2 meters, 1 meter. If I will tell you, if a boy moved from this position to this position, how far it moved? Basically, it's too simple. It's 5 plus 2, it's 7, 7 plus 6, it is 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So he covered 16 meters. So it is his distance. So it is basically too simple to understand. Now, let me tell you, and I have written a meter here because it's the SI unit, but you can write it in like kilometer, millimeter. It's up to you. It's up to question or anything. Now, coming up to another, which is displacement. It is basically the shortest path from starting to ending point. It is the vector quantity, as I mentioned this example in vector quantity also previous. It is vector quantity and its SI unit is also meter. Let me give you an example of this. I will draw a rectangle. This is A, B, and C, D. What must be its displacement? Its distance is you can see this is 5 meters. 6 meters. 5 meters. This is basically an rectangle. And it is vector quantity. It is having magnitude as well as direction. And I will tell you its SI unit is meter per second also. What is the SI unit of displacement? It is meter. What is the SI unit of time? It is also second, so its SI unit is also meter per second. These two have the same SI units. So coming on to next topic. This is acceleration. Acceleration can be defined as the rate of change of velocity. So its SI unit, it is the vector quantity, and we can write acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. Oh, okay, you are a bit confused here how this happened. So let me, I can prove it by mathematical. I can prove it mathematically. So basically it's the rate of change of motion. So what should be rate of change of motion? This U is the initial velocity, the starting point. Like I will walk from here to here. My initial point was this, as I started. My final velocity, where I ended here. So this is my final velocity. So basically this is velocity. So by time, because we know that it is the rate of change of velocity. Now how can we find it? What would be its? We will subtract it. V minus U by T2 minus T1, which is equal to, we can write it like this also. Sorry. Or now I will tell you how this came. See, what is the SI unit of velocity? What is the SI unit of velocity? It is meter per second. Meter per second. Now this is second. So this second will come into. So it will meter per second square. So basically it is the SI unit of acceleration. So thank you. This was all about the understanding the basics of motion. I think that you have got it properly, and I hope you will. I hope you have understood it.